Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will talk about order of initialization in Java. That is, we will understand how the program will execute if our class contains static block, instance block and constructors. Alright, so without wasting time, let's get started. Now, let us understand the order of initialization with help of this program. So in our class A, we have two overloaded constructor. Apart from that, we have two instance blocks and finally our two static blocks as well, right? And in our main method, what I have done is I have printed this text hello world, and after that I have created two new instances of our class A, right? So let me run this program and let us see the outputs. Now let us compile and execute the program. So let me run it. So as you see, we have the first text which is printed is hello world. After that, we have our two static blocks. So this is called only once because the static blocks are executed only once for every class, right? Irrespective of the number of objects created, right? Then for the first object, we have the instance block called, right? So we have this first instance block and the second instance block, right? And finally the no argument constructor. Similarly, for a second object, since the static block is already executed, there is no need to call the static block once again, right? So again, the first instance block and the second instance block is executed, and finally the one argument constructor. All right. Now, if I add the static block inside the test class, and the statement static block from the main class will be printed first because our main method is contained inside the test class, right? So this is the first class which is loaded into the computer's memory, right? So let me show you the output. Now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And as you can see, we have the first statement static block from main class, and then the rest of the statements follow. All right. Now consider this another example. So we have a class A and class B, right? And our class B extends our class A. And in our class A, we have the constructor, the instance block and the static block. And similarly, in our class B, we also have the constructor, the instance block and the static block, right? So what I have done is in our main method, I have created the instances of our class B, right? So let me run this program now. Now let us compile and execute the program. So let me run it. So as you can see from the output, the static blocks of the parent and the child class is executed first. So first we have the static block of the parent class and then the static block of the child class. Followed by that, we have the first instance block of parent class and the constructor of the parent class. After that, we have the instance block of the child class and the constructor of the child class. And similarly, for our second object, the static blocks are not executed. As you know, that static block is executed only once for each class. All right. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.